Bitcoin just had a crash, 4.37% towards downside, and as you know, retail can handle this, right? So retail is definitely 100% in full-blown panic right now. They're looking at the chart, it's down 4.3%. It went below 95k, so you know, it's pretty much over. We're going to zero again, as always. 10k, I don't know, World War 3. What more do we have? Yeah, Jim Cramer told us, you know, we should buy Bitcoin. So Inverse Cramer said, you know, this is the top. What more do we have? Michael Saylor bought 5.5 billion right now of Bitcoin, worth of, I think it's 5,500 Bitcoin, something like that. So, you know, it's pretty much over. 4.37% towards downside. You know, game over. Thank you for the bull market. See you next in 4 years. So 4.37% move down over here from this top, as we just talked about. This you know, alarm for 100k. I'm just still waiting for that. It's gonna come eventually. I'm gonna show you something very nice on the chart. But as you see here, today earlier we had a Bitcoin daily. We looked at this part over here. We said, you know, there is a possibility it's gonna do this move, double bottom up here towards upside. How this is gonna play out doesn't matter. You know, still, you know, this is the move towards upside. I'm gonna show you something very interesting. But you see over here on the 1 hour time frame, we came down to 200 moving average, came down to the bottom of the channel. This is a bigger channel over here, came also down to the bottom of the channel, and right now we are bouncing off that very, very important support level over here. Now it's nothing is set and done. If you look at a 4 hourly time frame, we're just barely managing to, technically we actually did not break the support level over here. There is a 4 hourly support level. You'll see over here that we picked up above that support level, and right now we're gonna do that another move towards downside, I think. So right now you can see up here we just had a 4 hourly close. We managed to close above that level, which is actually, I would actually like it if it closed below there, but you know, regardless, we managed to hold the support level. We bounced. Right now we're going for the next move towards downside. On daily time frame, this looks like this over here. We're gonna go to another chart over here that's clean. Do we have a clean chart? We got a clean chart over here. This looks on the daily time frame, we're just hitting this, you know, 10 moving average down here, and not much is happening. But I'm gonna show you something even more interesting. So if you look at a chart like this over here and invert the chart, what you're gonna see here is actually something very, very nice. It's easier to see on inverted chart than a regular chart. So let me show you over here. Over here on this button down here, we got actually expanding musical instrument over here. So it goes something like this over here, and the top side go over here, something like this. Okay, maybe on a 1 hour time frame you can see it better. There we go. We can see it a little bit better on a 1 hourly time frame. You'll see over here that let me adjust a little bit over here. There we go, give or take over here, expanding musical instrument. And if you look at it over here, we are falling down, and oftentimes these, you know, expanding musical instruments toward the downside tend to break again this way over here. So of course we are still looking at this move towards upside, and if you look at this part over here, now this is on the small time frame. This is this over here is on a small time frame. This is 1 hourly time frame. But if you go to the daily time frame and look what happened over here, it's kind of the same pattern, right? You had a big move towards upside over here. You got an expanding musical instrument up here, and what happened down here? This is the mega bearish zone over here, where everybody thought we're gonna go back down to 30k. What happened? We just curved over here towards upside, up here, broke that level, and continued towards upside over here, right? So over here right now, you'll see that you know, we got a same kind of expanding musical instrument. This expanding musical instrument over here just on the small time frames, you know, it's still happening, expanding musical instrument. So what I'm looking over here right now is this curvature over here to happen, break this level, and towards 100k. Now I'm not bearish, you guys know that I am not bearish. Like it does look that might actually drop down a little bit over here. I mean, we are still, you know, on the weekly time frame up here, very extended from the 10, 20 and the 50 moving average. Down here we did break up here. There's a whole bunch of room over here where we can actually drop towards downside, but right now this move towards the upside, I don't see any reason why we should drop down, you know, heavily towards over here towards downside. Also we gotta, of course, again, just to reiterate the channel up here. We are right now on the bottom of this channel. This channel is actually technically a bearish channel, but I'm always say once you have these bearish channels, they tend to break towards upside. In a bull market, any kind of bearish sentiment, they tend to break towards upside. So over here we got this bearish channel with actually a bullish expanding musical instrument. Over here it goes something like this, give or take. Over here maybe it starts over here towards upside over here. There we go. We got this expanding musical instrument, and what I'm looking for right now over here, will this actually break down over here? Because if it breaks down this over here below the support level over here, this is what we call a capitulation move. Will we get to this capitulation move below? That's gonna be, you know, back down to 90k, something like that. If you get into there's a capitulation move, there might be a lot of buying right over here, which might push us right back in. But I'm looking that this is gonna play out the same way that the 70 to 69k on the daily time frame played out. So this part over here, right? I'm looking this to play out exactly like over here. We, you know, just, you know, zigzag over here a little bit, get this curvature up here, break the support, sorry, break the resistance level and continue towards the upside. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm not really bearish over here, even though I think that, you know, it might actually pull down a little bit more over here. I'm still looking that this over here eventually will make this nice curvature up here, break this towards the upside, go to the top of the channel and exit up here towards the upside. Still very much bullish. Just a quick update, you know, because retail can't handle 4% you know, drop downs. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button on the way out. There is a link down below for the Telegram channel. You know what to do with the Telegram channel, guys. Bye bye. I'll see you around. Where's the outro?